Lisa, did you see my wallet?
Your wallet? No. Where did you last use it?
At the coffee shop, I think.
Did you check your jeans pocket?
Yes, it's empty.
Did you look in your backpack?
Only books and a charger.
Could it be somewhere else in the house?
I don't think so. I already checked.
Maybe you left it at the counter?
That's possible. We should go back there. Is my wallet on the counter?
Sorry, nothing was found here.
Can you please check again?
Sure, but still no wallet.
Did any customer return a wallet?
No, no one returned anything.
Should we ask the cashier?
Yes, maybe he saw something.
Did you see it when we were paying?
No, I didn't notice it.
Should I call my friend?
Yes, maybe he knows something.
Bro, did you see my wallet?
No, bro, when did you lose it?
Can you check your car?
I checked, it's not inside.
Hey! Happy birthday!
Hello. Thank you so much.
Look, we brought a cake for you.
Really? That's so sweet of you all.
It's your favorite chocolate fudge.
Wow, you remember my favorite flavor.
Of course, it's your special day.
I'm so happy you all came.
So, how old are you today?
I'm turning 21.
You look very happy today.
Because you all made my day special.
Shall we cut the cake now?
Yes, let's do it.
We also brought candles.
Nice. Let me place them on the cake.
Okay everyone, get ready.
Should I make a wish?
Yes, make a wish first.
Done?
Now cut the cake.
Here you go.
Give us the first bite.
Haha, first bite is always mine.
Okay, second bite for us.
Sure, here you go.
Did you get any gifts today?
A few, but yours looks the best.
You haven't even opened it yet.
I can tell it's something nice.
Open it and check.
Oh wow. I love this perfume.
We hope you like it.
I love it a lot.
What are your birthday plans today?
Nothing big, just enjoying with friends.
We can go out later if you want.
Yes? That would be fun.
Your house looks decorated. Did your family do it?
Yes, my sister decorated everything.
Can we take some photos?
Sure, let's take many.
Come closer, birthday girl.
Okay, I'm ready.
Smile. Perfect picture.
You guys are the best.
We're happy to be here.
I'm happier that you remembered my birthday.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the market.
What are you going to buy? I'm going to buy some vegetables.
Will you also buy fruits?
Yes, if they look fresh.
Do you need any money?
No, I already have enough.
How long will you take?
I'll take around 20 to 30 minutes.
Should I make tea before you come back?
Yes, that would be nice.
Do you want snacks with the tea?
Yes, please keep some biscuits.
Will you go alone?
Yes, I will go alone.
Do you want me to write a list?
No, I remember everything.
Okay, come back soon.
Sure, I'll be back quickly.